Yeah.
No, it's for the help.
Most of these sorts of things, generally a plumbing supply is your best shot. Something like Cook's Plumbing.
Yeah, right.
Well, and or either there's guys down at the industrial area down there at McGrath's Hill.
Road.
Yeah, no, McGrath's Hill.
Oh, yeah.
Down there on the Macca's. Yeah, there's Vec Tools down there. There's also Cook's Plumbing down there too.
Right. Okay.
As well.
Because there's a T-piece there.
Yeah.
Then I can't block it off.
So that's pretty much everything I've got.
Yeah.
In the way of that sort of thing.
No worries.
Yeah.
All right, I'll just get this for now, and
Okay,
at
mate.
least
Yeah.
I can stick it in and have it coming straight out. Look, I might test it and just see that it works.
Okay.
And then if I have to, I'll come back and get it.
Still no luck.
Yeah, usually like plumbing supply is your best shot. That's one of the things they had before.
It's time to go out now here. Couldn't find what we want anyway.
Get a screw fitting? I don't believe so.